In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Chrome Find tool. So to do that, I'm going to just use an example of a web page here. I'm going to just use Amazon for example, and I'm going to open up any one of these, let's say, products. And let me just choose this for example. And let's click and for example this, right? And we will just think of a random word, or if I spot something, I will just say it. All right. So we'll use the word woman, right? So let's say you want to search for the particular word woman, and that could be any page that you want. To use a Google Find tool, you want to press Ctrl plus F, and it's going to appear on the upper right of your screen where you can type it. Also, you can press the three dots on the upper right and look down in the list, and you'll find Find and Edit tool. And here you see it. You can have the Find, it's Control F, and of course you have it says Find and Edit, but you have the option to cut, to copy, to paste. And these work like if you're using, for example, docs or something like that, right? You can cut, you can copy, you can paste, or any word editing document. But the Find tool is simple Control plus F, as you can see. So we'll test it out. Press Ctrl F and let's type in the word woman. For example, as you can see, once I start to type, it shows how many times in this document it appears. On this page, it actually appears. And as you can see, it says 32. And you can either press up or down, and it's going to start to find all of those on the page where it's found in that particular page. And so you can see the more I scroll down or press the down arrow, it will find it on this page. And that's it. So if you're looking for a particular word on a specific web page or a document, you can use the Find tool to quickly search the page for whatever you're looking for. Just simply press Ctrl plus F, and that's it.